This is Marcus, 26 years old, full-time entrepreneur, part-time disaster. His to-do list lives in 4 different apps, 2 notebooks, and somewhere in the back of his head between call mom back and what did I have for breakfast? This particular Tuesday started like every other Tuesday, except it was Wednesday. He sat in that waiting room for 23 minutes before the receptionist looked up and said, "Sir, your appointment was yesterday." Marcus nodded, said thank you, and walked out like that was a completely normal thing that happens to completely normal people. It was also day 3 of the great underwear shortage of his adult life. The dry cleaning had been sitting by his front door since, honestly, he couldn't remember. He grabbed what he could and headed out. By lunch, he had missed 2 emails, forgotten a call, and eaten a granola bar he found in his jacket from an unknown date. He walked, partly to clear his head, mostly because he forgot where he parked. That's when he saw her. She was sitting outside a coffee shop on 5th, coffee in one hand, phone in the other, completely still in the middle of the city's chaos. Her screen caught his eye. It was organized, like genuinely, beautifully organized. Tasks, priorities, a whole system. She looked up, looked at him, looked at the granola bar wrapper sticking out of his pocket. Her name was Zoe. She was a freelance designer, and she had cracked the code. "I use AI as my personal assistant," she said. "Every morning I do a brain dump. Everything in my head goes into this one prompt. Claude organizes it into tasks, priorities, and a schedule. Takes about 3 minutes." Marcus stared at his phone. 4 apps, 17 unread notes, a reminder from 8 months ago that just said, "Do this." "That's it?" he asked. "That's it," she said. He went home that night and didn't watch TV. He didn't scroll, didn't doom check his emails. He set up his Notion workspace for the first time, ran his first AI prompt, watched 37 tasks, 6 goals, and 1 very overdue dry cleaning reminder organize themselves in about 45 seconds. He sat back, took a breath. For the first time in a long time, he knew exactly what to do next. The AI Productivity Vault, the system Marcus built that night. Now it's yours. Link in bio. New system, new week, no excuses.